Hey guys, it's Avery, and right now I have my baby. He's my baby Scubby. And I'm gonna let him go outside. I love him. He's so cute. So what's this? Scubby, can you go to the bathroom? He'll be back. I got no running down. Okay. Alright. So I just had to put him down. So if you can't hear me, that's just a surprise guest. This is Blue. He is a wild mouse. This is Blue. He got lost in the house today. His favorite thing to play is getting lost around the house. So we're going to play that. So we're going to play items. So he gets lost around the house, and like I put him in the pantry, the fridge, and I just sit on the couch. Pretending that I can't find him.
I don't want to try it.
I'll never find Blue. I'm gonna try to find him. Blue! Find him. I'm never gonna find him.
This is a story.
Oh, here he is. He's by the kennel. Hold on, he's going back in the cage. Sorry. Mommy, can you wash me? I'm gonna tell Sarah.
Yeah, let me wash them.
Ew, I stepped in something. Well, there's nothing on the floor. What it was. I have this water. Or water. I don't know how to say it. If you know how to say it, then please comment down below. I'm very tired because I couldn't sleep last night. Because, so, when I was on one side of the couch, on the left side, when I was on the left side of the couch, I was laying down, and that's the closest side to the bathroom. And I was closing my eyes to go to sleep, but then I opened them again. I was like, and I saw like a grayish, tannish color little figure that kind of looked like it was like as big as the bathroom. It was like as tall as the bathroom. And like it had huge legs and they were really thin and like they were bent like the knees. So and then no. Well, I wasn't tired, but I still tried to go to sleep because it was like 12 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. So I moved to the other side of the couch. Well, it had really long legs, like
Would you like a recipe, Santa?
and then a really small body, and then like a small body, like a medium body. But the legs were huge. And then I moved to the other couch. I also heard a noise. When I saw the figure in the bathroom. What?
No thanks.
Because we don't have any. I just realized we don't have milk. I was gonna make you mac and cheese, but we don't
The
have milk.
figure?
No, what was the sound? So that maybe I can hear it later.
Like it was like that. Yeah. Well, it was little, like if something maybe like
Did you go potty stuff?
if like
Loud, I can't hear you.
if like the soap fell, like it sounded like this. It sounded like that.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Take it off. Take it off.
Maybe I'll hear it later and maybe I can find out what it is.
Well, it
Soap
sounded
on the ground?
no, but it sounded more like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll be able to hear it.
And then I heard I moved to the right side of the couch and then I heard like more weird sounds, but I didn't see a figure.
Wait, what was the sound?
Like it was just like if someone was like messing around with pots and pans. Like if they were like hanging up close to each other and like someone like lightly touched one, like hit it lightly, and if like they were like hitting together. And then it sounded like if someone was like doing the dishes but without any water. And then I stood up on the couch and no one was in the kitchen.
That was a weird noise.
And the first sound I heard was like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some fun today. So in the last video I made, it was called Announcement. Go check it out. You have to check it out. I'm not gonna tell you what it's about, but it's called Announcement. So yeah, that's what it's called. Announcement. And if you've seen Telling You, it's kind of like that, but just go check that out. So I was just gonna tell you about my day. I was just telling you about my day and night. So I've been playing with Blue a lot today. Not the dog Blue. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Question of the day is, if you could have any little life pet, what would it be? So I need to answer it. I would have a turtle. I would have a turtle. Little life pet. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. Share, subscribe, thumbs up.
And she has a music video.
I didn't make one yet.
Oh yeah, but she has a music video.
Yeah, so go check out my Musical.ly. So I hope you
What
like
is it?
this.
I think it's Baba Nooney.
It's Baba Nooney.
And make Musical.ly so that they can.
Actually, I want to delete Musical.ly.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, I already did delete it.
Okay.
Yeah. So just kidding. Don't check out my Musical.ly account because I don't have one. So yeah, I hope you like this video still. That means share, subscribe, thumbs up. So yeah. Go.